Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. How's it going? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install Joggo, runner tracker and coach. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Joggo. There you can see Joggo runner tracker and coach. Press on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Joggo Runner Track and Coach and enjoy using Joggo for your weight loss journey. This was for today's video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment down your thought on this video. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.